So what is needs to be done in P2P cycle means procure to pay. First we do the procurement of that material and going through the processes within that, and we do the last to the payment. So let's first create a material that we can purchase. So I have already created a material, no issue. I can create a new one for enter industry sector, material type, basic data, purchasing, MRP and accounting. Press enter, enter your storage location and plant. Capacitor 2. Capacitor can be in pieces. Material group is my GROH. Press enter. Enter the purchasing value P and purchasing group. Press enter. Enter your MRP type as no planning for now. Press enter. Go to the valuation class. This can be 3000 for raw materials. So for raw materials, we will be using price control as V. Press enter. Enter per unit price as 15 euro. Press enter. Now for material, okay, availability is checked for daily basis. Press enter. Now our material has been created with number. This material number. Now we have created a material for which there is a requirement in, let's say, in purchasing department. So he will be sending a note to the, and there is a requirement in the production department. So he will send a note to the purchasing department that we need to procure this material. So for now, the procurement department, purchasing department will and create a purchase requisition first by using T-code ME51N. So in the purchase requisition, we just enter the material, what material needs to be procured, what is the quantity needed, and for which plant the material is needed, and for which storage location it is needed. Just enter this requirement and click enter, so that all the other details can be priced from the material master data. Just click on check. Message issued, click on post. So purchase requisition is created. In this purchase requisition, we need to enter only the material, quantity, and that which request. In this way, material is created, its requirement is created. Now, for this requirement, I will be creating request for quotation. It means we are requesting the multiple vendors to provide the prices for that material, at what price they can. The RFQ type is EN for standard RFQ, and the request date is today's date. Quotation deadline can be just till tomorrow. You can provide that. For purchasing organization, this purchasing group, this, and delivery date can be in day format, and delivery can be after 30. So after this, also we can click on create referencing requisition, where we can give our purchase requisition. Purchase requisition is this 1266. Yeah, correct. So click on enter. Press enter. If we haven't clicked on that reference purchasing organization, then we need this screen would be blank, where we need to enter the material, material and plant storage location and quantity. So this detail would be needed to enter by us if we didn't refer to that purchasing organization. Now we have created with reference with purchasing organization. Select the line item, click on add up plus details. So here this is the material. Okay. Click enter. Please enter delivery date later than the deadline. Okay, so deadline is 29th July. So delivery date can be done after that. Click enter. Click enter. Plant delivery time is 4 days. Where is vendor data? Click enter. Now go to the supplier address. Here we need to enter the supplier number from which we need to know the price. Just enter the supplier number and press enter so that each other details can be fetched from vendor master data. And just click on save. No message record. We can save. Yes. So our RFQ is created. So this RFQ, request for quotation, is generated for this material from 4005 vendor. Okay. I'm also sending a request for quotation to one more vendor also. For example, now I'm using 4003. Just click enter. Uh, Press enter. All vendor master data has been populated. Now click on save. Click on save. Now I have created another request for quotation so that I can receive the prices for from 4003 vendor also. In this way we can create multiple request for quotations to be sent to multiple vendors. Now go to new screen. Now we are in ME47. This is create quotation. We are actually change favorite. Instead of create quotation, we can say it is maintaining quotation where we are maintaining the quotations. So first quotation is this one from 4005 vendor. Enter the request for quotation number. Press enter. Now we will be receiving maintaining the price here that from this vendor. This material is of 15 euro per piece. So just enter the price and click save. So the pop-up will say that quotation for this has been maintained. Now we will be maintaining for price for next quotation that it will be provided at 20 euro per piece. So save it. In this way, we have maintained both the request for quotations in the maintaining quotation. Now go to new entry. Now we will do price comparison list. So go to ME49. Here for this purchasing organization, this RFQ number this to this can be fetched, and the comparison can be basis on mean value and minimum value, and also include the discounts and costs. So just execute this. Now we can see that quotation number this and this are compared as the material quantities 15 pieces, and it is giving at 15 price 15 euro, so it cost to be 225. Similarly for this 15 pieces at 20 rate would be at 300. So for these two valuation, the mean value is 262 and minimum value is 225. Similarly, the price can be mean and minimum. Now comparing these two, we can see that this SAP rank this vendor 4005 at rank 1. So we will be selecting this vendor. So this vendor is selected to do the procurement. Now coming to the next screen, after comparison, go to the purchase order so that we can inform it's a legal document, so that to inform the vendor that we want this material from you. Enter the purchasing organization, purchasing group, company code, enter the material that we want to procure. Enter the purchasing quantity, that was 15. Then plant, US12, then storage location, press enter. Enter the price that was given by this vendor, 4005. He is saying that he will be providing us 15 euro per piece. Press enter. Now check for the purchase order. No message issued. Click on enter so that our purchase order has been created to be sent to our selected vendor. Now after doing the purchase order, let's check the stock of this material first, whether this material is available in how much quantity. We can see that I have created this fresh material, so no previous stock is available. Only the on order stock is available that I created purchase order. Now to after the vendor send the goods to me, I will be doing the MIGO to transfer this goods to our unrestricted stock. So let's proceed to MIGO. Go to set and against the purchase order. Moment type in 101. So the purchase order number is this. Enter the purchase order. Execute. Okay. First, let me release this. Just a second. Number is 80. Enter. Select release strategy. Click on release. Click enter. Click save. Purchase order has been changed. Now go to MIGO to receive this order material. The order number. Click enter. Now check. This is the material. Quantity is 15. I'm receiving it at this storage location from this vendor. All the details are correct. Now click on check. Post the document. Interval 50 sub object into 54 fields. SNR RFN. Go to change intervals. Then it will go to three intervals. Interval number is 50 to year 2025. This is the available. You can use from 9,000 to 1,999. Press enter. Click on save. Press enter. The changes have been saved. Now go to new entry. Now to the MIGO. Against for this purchase order. All the details are correct. Make it item okay, check, post. Now go to display. So this material document has been generated. Press enter. Then we can see that. Now go to Miro. Miro can be only done against the purchase order. So invoice date is today's date. Amount. First, let's check the stock of this material. Here we can see that our on-order stock has been received in our unrestricted, available or own stock. So let's do the payment for this in Miro. Invoice date is today's date. Reference with the PO number. Good service items and call information. Here we will choose the purchasing document number, company code, check that the PO is this. Try again, enter incoming invoice, enter the purchase order number, enter the invoice date. You can give reference with in company code we still the number is missing 51 for 2025. The same error coming in Miro posting also. So let's do the revise those same step. Go to interval editing, change intervals. We need to assign 51 interval to 2025. Double click on it. Now this time 2000 to 2999. Save, enter. Now do zero for first select invoice date as today's date. Enter the purchase order number. Press enter. For document type RE and enter is required field reference only. The material document or any purchase order we can refer. So once this line item comes, check this balance amount and enter the amount here 225. Tax code or tax code I1 and procedure 0 TXT is invalid.
Select new tax.
Where? Sorry, where? Hello, voice is not clear.
Select no tax.
Hello. Ishbu, what is that?
In tax, select no tax. No tax procedure.
Tax amount. Okay.
Change it.
It's not allowing me to.
First change the tax.
That's to
First
zero.
change the tax. Yeah. Maybe your one.
Reference MD.
पहले tax वाला जो है ना वो change कर दो.
यहाँ पे
Input
Which
tax non taxable. 30 है.
input tax not
Second.
taxable. Okay.
हाँ.
Purchasing document. Press enter. Enter the amount. Enter. Go to check. So we can see that the balance is now 0. So click on post or save with most document distributed expenses. Click on save. GL account is not defined in this company. This actually, while doing the Miro, the accounting entry should be made in this GL account, which is not available. So for this, I need to create this GL account. Click on create, enter the GL account number that I need to create. Account group, GL account general. I think this is tax account. So go to control data, enter the tax category as B0. CDB0 is written for all tax types allowed. Go to bank interest, enter the field status group as YB01. Now click on save, enter. The data was saved. 0 and invoice date reference as input tax. Enter the PO number. Balance amount can be entered here. Is done. Now click. Everything is fine. Now click on post. See, our invoice document was posted. So this is the complete process of from procurement to payment.